Hi lovely people, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we shall be making koose or beans cake using beans flour. For this our main ingredient is beans flour. Here is our beans flour. To prepare the batter for our koose, we'll be adding water to the beans flour and we'll mix it to get a consistency that we can use to make the koose. We will also be adding blended pepper and onions, salt to taste, and we'll chop some of the onions and add to it. Then we'll stir the batter to incorporate some air into it, and our batter is ready for us to fry. Making koose with beans flour is so easy. It tastes delicious and it's also nutritious. So if you have beans flour, kindly go ahead and give this a try. I added the blended pepper and onions, so if you do not like pepper, you can leave the pepper out. Then now go ahead and add salt to taste. I will be stirring it in this manner for some time to incorporate some air into it. This is our chopped onions, so I'll go ahead and add it to the batter. I will continue stirring to incorporate more air into it. It's now time for us to fry. Kindly like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. The oil is now hot enough, so I'm scooping some of the butter into the oil. I shall be frying this until it is golden brown. Then I'll take it out of the oil and repeat the process until I finish frying all. Please, if you want to learn how to make koose without beans flour, kindly check the link in the description below. Our koose or beans cake is now ready. It tasted so delicious. Look at the inside, it is well cooked. Please give this a try. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe and press the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you.